Hey everyone, welcome back to RX Decode channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's not often talked about but really important: women's sexual health. And specifically, we are talking about RD, also known as flibanserin, the so-called female Viagra. But is it really like Viagra? Let's find out. RD is a prescription medication used to treat hypoactive sexual desire disorder or HSDD in premenopausal women. It helps boost low sexual desire that causes distress. Now here's the interesting part. Unlike Viagra, RD works on the brain. It increases dopamine and norepinephrine, which help increase sexual interest, and reduces serotonin, which lowers desire. So this is not a take and go pill. You take it daily at bad times and it may take weeks to show results. Some common side effects include dizziness, nausea, fatigue, and low blood pressure. Most importantly, do not mix RD with alcohol. It can cause dangerous drops in blood pressure. So, who is RD for? It's for premenopausal women with ongoing unexplained low sexual desire. It's not for those dealing with stress, relationship issues, or menopause. RD works on brain chemistry, not blood flow, and takes time to show results. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thank you for watching my video.